to our Param Gurudev, Paramhansa Parivrajakaacharya, Sri Loknath Tirtha Swami Maharaj. कुछ फोटोग्राफ है My Gurudev, Param Pujaniya, Sri Sadguru Shaktipatacharya, Sri Narayan Kaka Dekni Maharaj. Brothers and mothers, Pranam. To introduce Gurudev is a really difficult task. Shruti have said that it is neti neti. They say that it can't be described, it can't be described. But in the normal day-to-day life, I have to introduce my Gurudev. My Gurudev, Param Pujaniya Sri Narayan Kaka Dekni Maharaj, is a Siddha Yogi master, a leading proponent of Siddha Yoga, a century-old tradition of India. He is earnestly striving for a far better world for a common man. He practiced yoga for 40 years of his prime age and put forth a wonderful philosophy which encompasses and engulfs all the religions, all the countries, nay, the whole world as one nation and one human race. In all the diversities of the world, he has established a uniqueness of life force as a basis for universal brotherhood. In addition to a saintly figure, he is a scientist, a rationalist, a true humanist, simply engrossed in making a better world for tomorrow. He is a highly qualified engineer, a master's in civil engineering, a bachelor of science in science, and a bachelor of engineering, with worldly astounding achievements covering most efficiency, honesty, and resourcefulness. He was awarded gold medal for his astounding research work in professional career by Government of India and Institute of Engineers, India. The versatility of our Sadgurudev is such that his above worldly achievements have been completely surpassed by his spiritual, social, and devotional achievements. In capacity of leader of Siddha Yoga tradition, Kaka Maharaj has founded Paramhansa Parivrajakaacharya Sri Loknath Tirtha Swami Maharaj Mahayog Trust at Nashik. He has established an ashram there where we have got underground meditation center and where a lot of people come and practice this yoga practice. He has established in India a different center, 30 centers from north to west to east throughout India. His disciples are spread in India. More than 30,000 disciples are there in India. Also, his disciples are spread over the world in 25 nations. His disciples are in all the communities, in all the regions that way. And almost 25 nations representation is there, that some people are there that way who have got initiated. Kaka Maharaj was initiated at the age of 23 in 1950 by Paramhansa Parivrajakaacharya Sri Loknath Tirtha Swami Maharaj. He practiced celibacy and with great devotion he practiced Siddha Yoga for the last, throughout the young age as well as the further period of his life. He was serving with the government of Maharashtra as the Superintendent Engineer of Public Works Department. Simultaneously, he was guiding the people, he was guiding the young ones, children, and the elder ones also. He has, in the spirit to his practice of Siddha Yoga, Kaka Maharaj has travelled extensively all over India, having visited most of the cities in India as well as numerous small towns and villages. He has given lectures and demonstrations of Siddha Yoga at several spiritual conferences in international conferences at Bangalore, Pondicherry, Mumbai and Pune. He also recently visited in Bhutan for the Siddha Yoga practice school. Kaka Maharaj is constantly engaged in disseminating the knowledge of Siddha Yoga from Nashik and Pune centers and the sub-centers which have been established in India. As a part of his efforts to disseminate the knowledge, Kaka Maharaj has published a Siddha Yoga book in Marathi first that way, and this book has been translated into 9 languages of the India. All the Bengali, Malayali, Tamil, all the ways he has translated. Not only that, whatever bliss he has achieved through his Gurudev, he said that this bliss should pass on to the common man. So initiation was one process that way. So naturally initiation has got rules. So with the present day of living, naturally lot of people find the difficulties of even the initiation to follow the rules. So he said that even then people should get the benefit of this yoga marga. And so he recently introduced introductory yoga, that is practice of yoga that way, that these people will find the divine bliss one day and they will feel encouraged to take the initiation. So that is one of the main characteristics that introductory yoga, he has said that everyone in the world can follow this possibly and get a bliss. And that way he has established a international brotherhood by this principle. That I will pass on it to me to give a lecture on it. Thank you.